Here we go. It's getting toned. Here we go. Alarm clock, 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 alarm.
Environment Canada has issued a significant weather bulletin for regions
in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environment Canada, blah 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 blah.
C'est important que pour les régions
Blah, blah,
dans
blah.
les zones de diffusion.
Blah 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 blah.
Information.
Sometimes the alert will things that